It is such nonsense. I never said veils. This was never said. I said the concept of parda. Concept of parda is avoid temptation in the society. We don't have discos here. We don't have nightclubs. So it is a completely different society, way of life here. So if you raise temptation in the society to the point, and all these young guys have nowhere to go, it has consequences in the society. If a woman is wearing very few clothes, it will have an impact on the men, unless they're robots. I mean, it's common sense. It depends which society you live in. If in a society people haven't seen that sort of thing, it will have an impact on them. If you grow up in a society like you, maybe it won't on you. This cultural imperialism, whatever is in our culture, must be acceptable to everyone else. It's not. So when I see sex crime going through the roof, we sit down, we discuss how we're going to tackle this. It is having an impact in my society. We have to do something about it.